this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Amazon order canceled automatically. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of steps you can follow to fix and place your order successfully. So the first thing you want to do is check the reason for your cancellation. It does tell you why your order was cancellation, or it does tell you why your order was canceled. For example, here is payment revision. The second thing you want to do is verify your payment method. So the card details that you've entered, make sure that is correct. You can also try unlinking and relinking it again. Also check stock availability. If there is no stock of the product, then you might be facing this problem. Make sure you verify your delivery address and it is not somewhere where they do not deliver to. And also make sure that your account health has no issues at all. You can also review your email notifications because it does tell you why your order has been canceled. And if none of it works, you can simply go ahead and try placing the order again, or even contact Amazon customer support. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.